Hello everyone. As we know that we have started our unit third. In this session or in this unit third, we have started the construction principles. Just one point is remaining in this section. We have to complete it now. That is the testing principles. Okay, we have to follow all the testing principles according to the given principle set of principles. What we are in this session. So let's start. Okay, the set of testing principles. Uh, Testing is each and every time or each while developing any kind of a project, every steps you have to test your code, your design, your requirement, your validation. Each and everything should be tested, just because of make sure that any kind of lacuna should not be there, any kind of error should not be happen, or any kind of bugs should not be for just buggy software are the most worst software. Okay, so please make sure at every step you have to test each and every part, each and every code, each and every line of a code, each and every logics, your writing skills, each logical steps should be tested, so that any kind of problem should not be happen in the near future. Okay, to the end user. Okay, so for that matter, what should we do? All tests should be traceable to customer requirements. That means whatever the customer given to you lots of requirements, that should be traceable, that should be findable to the user or developer, anyone, so that he can fix it on a real time or whatever. He can easily fix it. Okay, the objective of software testing is to uncover errors. Any kind of errors, if there are, they can, that should be discovered. If it follows that the most severe defects from the customer point of view are those that cause the program to fail to meet the its requirements, yes, that is the worst software ever. That means if customer is given to you some kind of requirements, you are not validated, or you are not doing according to the customer requirements, then that is the worst or not useful for anyone. So be sure whatever the requirements are there, that should be fulfilled by each and everyone. Okay, next is a test should be a plan long before testing begins. Okay, test planning can begin as soon as the requirement model is complete. Okay, requirement model, each and every step should be tested. Detailed definitions of testing cases can begin as soon as the design model has been solidified. Thereafter, therefore, all tests can be planned and designed before any code has been generated. Okay, while requirement gathering or any kind of designing pattern, or before any kind of coding, you should follow the testing strategies, or you should fix some testing strategies, and then after you can move further. Okay, the Pareto principles apply to software testing. In this context, the Pareto principle implies that 80% of all error uncovered during testing will likely to traceable to 20% of all program components. Okay, that means most of the working space or the errors are, there are lots of errors, should test each and everything before. That is 80%. Okay, you should keep in your mind 80% error are uncovered might be there. So you should be traceable, that should be traceable, that should be recoverable, that should be fixable, that should be easily fixed by anyone. Okay, support system should be easily fixed it. The problem of course is isolating this suspect component and to throughout the test them. As I told you that, or it is a crucial part that testing should be happen. Each and every step should be tested. Okay. Next principle is testing should begins in the small and progress toward testing in the large. Small is nothing but a unit testing should be there. After unit testing, integration testing should be there. Integration testing, system testing should be there. After system testing, acceptance testing, there is alpha testing, beta testing, white box testing, black box testing, regression testing, smoke testing. Lots of testing strategies are available. So that through all this you have to go through these each and every testing strategies so that you can test your project in a well manner to get each and every errors, find out errors and just fix it them, okay, as soon as possible. Okay. uh, Last one is exhaustive testing is not possible. The number of path um, permutations for even a mandatory size program is exceptionally large. For this reason, it is impossible to execute every combination of paths during testing. It is possible, however, adequately cover a problem logics and to ensure that all the conditions in the component level design have been exercised. Yes, as per your project is just growing, or if new features are introducing in your project, there are lots of combination and permutations are there. You cannot test each and every part, but uh, it's in your hand. Please make sure each and every code that should follow all the rules, all the whatever the inputs you are going, just check out the output are in a correct way or not. That is the beneficial for you. And as per the customer record, just feedback, just take a feedback at every step after delivering your project, so that through that feedback you can also fix your problems or the errors. Okay. The testing is a uh, what we say that uh, vital vital part of a project. That is the important part that should tested, each and every part should be tested in well manner, so that you can uncover your errors, discover new errors, and fix them as soon as possible. Please don't be lazy to fix problems that will later solve, or we will fix it in later manner. No, don't do that. The problems should be fixed as you know there is problem. You have to fix it there only. Okay. That's it for all. If any kind of problems or any points, if you're not understood very well, please comment in comment section so that I can get back that problem for you. Okay. Have a nice day.